protests, Bandh and some incidents of violence. The Himalayan state of Sikkim is witnessing an uproar over a Supreme Court observation that Sikkimese Nepalis were people of foreign origin. On the 13th of January, while delivering its verdict on the petition filed by the Association of Old Settlers of Sikkim, or AOSS, demanding exemption of income tax for those who had settled in Sikkim before its merger with India on April 26, 1975, the top court had observed that under the Sikkim Income Tax Manual 1948, all persons engaged in business were subjected to tax irrespective of their origin. Therefore, there was no difference made out between the original inhabitants of Sikkim, namely the Bhutia Lepchas, and the persons of foreign origin settled in Sikkim, like the Nepalis or persons of Indian origin who had settled down in Sikkim generations back. The statement sparked strong sentiments in a state where Nepalis are the majority community apart from Lepchas and Bhutias. Initially, the protests started with a civil society group and a joint action committee was formed. But in the past couple of days, the protests have intensified with the main opposition party, the Sikkim Democratic Front or SDF, joining the protests. SDF's top gun and former Chief Minister Pawan Kumar Chamling has called a two-day bandh.
भारत सरकारलाई सारा भारतलाई सारा संसारलाई हामीले यो सन्देश दिनुपर्छ हामी सिक्किमको नेपाली विदेशी होइनौं भन्ने प्रमाण दिनुपर्छ हामी सिक्किमे हौ भन्ने प्रमाण दिनुपर्छ र यसको विरुद्धमा यो ब्ल्याक डे कालो दिवस 2 दिन मनाउनुपर्छ सिक्किम पुरा बन्द गर्नुपर्छ.
In some stray violence between supporters of the Sikkim Democratic Front and the ruling Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, the SDF office was pelted with stones. Earlier this week, the state's health minister Manikumar Sarma resigned in protest against the government's failure to respond to the court's observation. Now Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang has convened an emergency assembly session on February 9th and his government has filed a review petition in the top court.
हामी विपक्षी पार्टीमा भएर पनि यति शक्तिशाली छौं त्यति बेला हामीले चाहेको भादेखि हामी 1000 पल्ट पाउन चामलिङको पुतला जलाउन सक्थ्यौ होला 1000 पल्ट एकपल्ट होइन लोकेर होइन शहर बजारको बीचमा जलाउन सक्थ्यौ तर हामीले जलाएनौं किनभने हाम्रो आत्माले हाम्रो आत्मसम्मानले दिँदैन.
While the Supreme Court's verdict in favor of the old settlers was actually welcome, it was the foreign origin observation of the Apex Code that has triggered the outrage. And it is now soon turning into a political fodder for the opposition parties to corner the government. With inputs from Pankaj in Gangtok, in Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.